music, we often see a curved line over notes. When a curved line joins two notes that are the same pitch, it is called a tie. A tie joins the values of the notes so that the sound played will last the length of both the notes' values put together. For example, to play these two minims joined by a tie, we only play the note once, but we would hold it for the length of two minims added together. So we hold it for 4 beats. We draw ties on the opposite side of the stems of the notes. We can also use ties across bar lines like this. When a curved line joins a number of different notes, it is called a slur. A slur means that the indicated notes should be played legato, which is an Italian word that means smoothly or joined. A group of notes joined by a slur is then called a phrase. Like a tie, we draw a slur on the opposite side of the note stems. The opposite of legato is staccato. Staccato is shown with a single dot written underneath or above the head of a note, on the opposite side of the stem of the note. Staccato shows us that the notes should be played in a detached style. Every instrument has a different way of playing staccato.